Hi guys, good morning. So I'm here in the shop where they repair sandals. Okay, so I have these my sandals that I want to repair. My sandals are part of my kids, so I came to the shop here to repair it. So here you can mold keys, you can mold your car keys, you can repair your sandals. Okay, let me show you guys around. Okay, that's it. That's where you can mold your key for your cars, whatever. Okay, and this is where you can sandals. That's the sandals, and that's the say hi, say ciao. Okay, he's not an Englishman. Okay, he doesn't speak English, but he's an Italian. So he's the one that you can see the shoes there that is up there to walk, and the one he's walking down. This one is my sandals. This is my key sandal, and this one is the one I want to walk now. Okay, so I want to work on these sandals. I love these sandals so much. I bought it all the way from Nigeria, but I still wear it during summer. Okay, so it's because the sandals get spoiled. I can't wear it now, so but I now bought it here to repair it. Okay, this is my sandals, my son's sandals that I want to repair, and for my own too. Okay, we actually have where you can repair your shoes and sandals and whatever here in Italy. Yeah, you can see that. And yeah, that is it. So you might be asking that, wow, so really the Europe or the Italians, they work on their sandals or their shoes. Yeah, actually, okay. They don't throw away their shoes when it gets hot, okay, or when it got torn. So they repair it, they bring it to the shop where it can be fixed again. Okay, so that's where I'm here to repair my sandals. Okay, so guys, stay tuned, don't go away. Hi lovelies, how you all doing? Beautiful good afternoon to you all. Okay, so guess what I'm about to prepare now? Huh? Okay, I won't tell you that. You have to know if you are right or wrong. So join me, let's prepare it right now. Okay, okay, let me tell you. Yeah, it's shawarma. I want to prepare shawarma. Okay, with cabbage, onion, carrot, and then chicken. Okay, I would have used already shredded chicken for the this. You can see it's already shredded, but you have to prepare it before making it. Because I have this one, I bought this one already. This one is already roast. This one is a roasted chicken. Okay, this one is roasted chicken. So I won't be making use of this one because it's frozen. It's frozen, and I want to make the shawarma now, so I don't want to wait for it to defrost before preparing. So that's why I want to make use of the already made. Okay, so join me, let's prepare it. So guys, if you've not subscribed yet, if this is your first time of seeing my face or coming across my channel, I'm so glad to have you here. Okay, please subscribe and be part of this beautiful family. All right, and to my OGs, my lovelies, my mamas, you guys are the best. You guys are amazing. You guys are the reason why I'm doing this. I love you all. Thank you for all the love, the support, comments, and like, and I so much appreciate it, and may God bless you all. Okay, so hop in. Let's make the shawarma. One spoonful of it. If you have just okay. So I want it to be so yummy. That's what I'm adding yogurt to, and ketchup. Okay. This thing is chips. Bearing children, it will be very fine. We'll attend their wedding. So I will set it aside. I'll bring the big bowl. The white thing you are seeing is just the mayonnaise. I put the spoon inside. I'll be adding the cabbage, carrots, this is onion, but if you don't like onion, you can skip it. What's the meat? Pour everything. I'll start mixing. Mix. Remember, I add more of yogurt. Okay, I just added. That's the shawarma filling here. Ah, see, it's even breaking. Oh my god, look at it's breaking already. It's breaking. Adding it instead of already breaking, it's scattering already, so I won't be folding it that much. I'll use this one. It's not my fault, but the shawarma tastes yummy. This is the shawarma wrap it has scattered. Since the shawarma wrap has scattered, so you know, in all you do, you need to have a second a plan B. In all you do, you have to have you need to have plan B. Disappointed me. I need to improvise. So this is my plan B. I will add the shawarma fillings and then put it inside the oven. Already I have been preheating the oven for 15 minutes now. Okay, the oven has been preheating for 15 minutes, so I'll be at. Okay, so in all you do, so hi guys, welcome back. So I ordered something from the Amazon. Okay, my phone, the one I use for live stream, okay, the pack has spoiled, so I needed to buy another one. And it's not just as it's not just ordinary phone pack. Okay, I needed the one of 360. I mean the one that will cover both the front and the back. You know, I'm a mom now, and then my kids always drag my phone. Okay, so I need to buy the one of 360. There's how they call it, 360 degree or whatever. Okay, that's the one that cover both the front and the back. Okay, so I ordered for my own and my son too. Then I ordered for tripod too. Like I told you guys, I showed you guys the other day, my tripod has totally spoiled. My kids scattered the tripod, so I had to order for a new one. Okay, so let me unbox it. You can see it. Okay, yeah, that's from the Amazon. Okay, so let me show you guys. That's the pack. That's the pack I'm talking about. Let me open it so I'll show you guys what I mean by 360. Okay, you see how it is. This is 360. It covers both the side of your phone, so that when your phone falls, it will not affect the phone. Then it has a screen. It comes with screen too. Okay, it's all good so that when your phone falls and mistaken, even if it falls from 10-story building, it will not affect your main screen. Yeah. It will not affect the main phone. Okay. So this is how it is. This is it. You can see it. So when I put my phone now, I'll now cover it this way. Even if my phone falls down from 10-story building, it can never affect my phone. It will not. Okay. My phone will remain intact. The case will just be the one that will spoil. Okay. So I ordered the same type of the screen for my son too. Okay. No, this is not what I expect. This is not what I expect from this one. It doesn't come with any screen. It doesn't come with any screen guide. It's supposed to come with a screen guide, okay? Look at it. But it doesn't come with any screen guide. I have to return this one. I want it to come with a screen guide. I want it to come with screen guide just like this. This one comes with screen guide. You can see. Okay. But my son's own didn't come with a screen guide. Look at it. It didn't come with any screen guide. So if it should fall now, if the phone fall now, it will affect the screen. It doesn't come with any screen. I can see it. I will change it. I will change this one. And now that's the tripod. Okay. This is the type of the tripod I have before. Okay. I like this particular tripod because it's strong. It's strong than any other tripod. The other one I bought from Chin, that one wasn't strong and it came with a ring light. But it wasn't strong at all. So it's not strong. But then this one is stronger. Wait, let me open it. So this is how the carton looks like. Okay. This is how the carton looks like, and this is how it comes. It comes with this bag. Even if you want to go out, you can easily carry it like this on your back. Okay. It's small, but it's easily. You can carry it around easily. Okay. You can even put it inside your bag, inside the big bag, like Mama Simon's bag. That's her big bag. Okay. So you can put this in your big bag if you have a big bag. If you don't have a big bag, you can just carry it this way. Okay. Or in your hand, anyone. Look at it. This is how it comes. So I had to fix it. This is it. You have to fix this one here. Okay. And this is the leg. You can spread it, and you can adjust the length from here. Okay. You can adjust the length from here. Can you see it? That's where you can adjust the length from. Okay. So you fix it here. Okay. And this is the phone holder. This is the phone holder. You see it? This is where to fix your phone. Okay. And I love this particular thing because it's easier to fix your phone. I don't like the one you use your phone to push to this. It will go up. With this, it will be easier for you to control and push your phone easily. Okay. And another good thing I love with it is it has can you see? It has this space for where you put your lightning. Like if you want to buy a ring light or any light of your choice. Okay. This is a space where you can put your lightning. Then you fix your phone in here. Okay. So it's very, very simple. I like this particular tripod. This one I'm using now doesn't have a space for the lighting. Okay, but this one has it. Okay. You just fix it here, and then fix in your phone in here. Okay. It serves as selfie too. you see it serves as selfie too. You can just carry, it's easy to carry, and if you don't want to carry your tripod this way, you can just carry selfie the selfie part of it. Okay, it's very easy to carry. It's very, very easy to carry. So I love the tripod, serious, I love it very well. Thank you for watching, guys. I so much appreciate it. Okay, if you watch to this extent, I so much appreciate it. Thank you for always coming to support me. Okay, my OGs, my mamas, my friends, I'm so glad. Okay, you guys are amazing. Thank you for the love and support. I appreciate it so much. Thank you. For you guys to close the vlog. Okay, thank you for watching, and if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe. Okay, subscription is free, it doesn't cost anything. Subscribe and be part of this family. Okay, see you in my next video. Bye.